Hello, I'm Horace Douty, pastor of the Oxford Presbyterian Church near Lexington, Virginia, and each week I give a nature lesson because we are surrounded by such an abundance of beauty and nourishment, wild foods, that I think is well for you to learn some of them. Today I'm going to talk about the most common plant that I know of in the world, the dandelion. We call it dandelion. In French, it is Dandelion. But we don't have as musical language as the French do, so we just say dandelion. What it means is tooth of the lion. And if you come close here, you can see that every leaf has teeth that are very much like lion's teeth. And of course, the yellow blossom, which is right close to the ground, is visible almost everywhere, really all over the world. There are several kinds of dandelion, but they're all in the same family. And what you may not know is that this plant is edible. Everything I'm showing you here is edible. See that this is a small root. Sometimes those roots can be 2 feet long, like long carrots or parsnips. But everything you see there can be put in a pot and cooked and eaten. It is highly nutritious, nourishing. Everything about the plant can be eaten, the blossoms, the stems. Now the fuzz, when the blossom turns into that fuzz ball, you don't eat that. But everything else, you can put it in a pot, boil it. If it's a little bit bitter, boil it again, change the water, and you will have a plant that can be used for food, for medicine. And another thing that I learned just this week is that the dandelion root goes way down into the soil, pulls up nutrients, and shares the nutrients with everything else that's going closer to the surface of the earth. So when you start getting rid of dandelions, think twice. They are the one plant that will survive anything and everything, and will survive almost anywhere in the world. They were the first living plant to be found in the sands of Hiroshima after the atomic bomb. This is a wonderful, wonderful plant. It is everywhere. You can pick enough for supper in 5 minutes, and it will keep you healthy and happy, and I hope wise. There is your nature lesson for today, the common dandelion.